This is the fastest way to expand your Amazon products across borders. So you can see here's an example of a listing in the USA, and you can tell because it has .com on the end, that means it's a USA listing. And we can see another listing, same exact one in Canada. So it's super easy to expand to marketplaces like Canada, Mexico, Brazil, and more. I'm going to be showing you the fastest way. So what you're going to do first is log into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go to inventory, sell globally. Now, once you're here, you should have access to this page. If you don't, make sure you're a professional seller on Amazon. Once you're here, you're going to click Build International Listings. And you just want to make sure everything is completely set up. So there should be a connection. You can see in Canada, we've got a connection right here. And we can click Edit Connection and just make sure all of our listings are there. So here's Brazil. We've got a connection here as well. So just make sure everything is connected. If it says remove connection, don't press that. That means it's already connected. So once it's already connected and everything's good to go, and you can add more marketplaces here, but we're just going to do Canada, Brazil, and Mexico right now. We're going to click remote fulfillment with FBA. So if you have FBA listings, it's super easy to expand them internationally. And what we're going to do is see what marketplace enrollments we have. These should all be turned on with a check and say enrolled. That means we're already enrolled in Canada, Brazil, and Mexico, so we can pretty much expand our listings there. Now, to expand our listings there, one of the easiest ways is just to go to Manage Inventory. You're going to go to one of your inventories and click Edit Listing. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of your listing. So on the Offer tab, we're scrolling all the way to the bottom. And then you should see this where you can turn these on. When you turn them on, it should automatically make listings in these different countries for you. And it's automatically going to sync your FBA inventory. Now, if somebody orders from Canada, what's going to happen is Amazon's automatically going to get notified because it's FBA in the USA. And Amazon's going to ship it to the customer in Canada. Amazon's going to charge the customer in Canada any extra import fees for deposit, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about shipping. Amazon does all of the hard stuff. So make sure that you edit and click save and finish, and then the listings should be active. If the listings aren't active, then you may have to manually create them in those countries. Like Mexico, for some reason, it says inactive. But if I turn this off and on, there's a chance that it should be active. And then you click save and finish. So once we click save and finish, we're going to wait 24 hours, check those marketplaces, and then we should see that they are enrolled. So we're going to turn this on. We're going to go to Canada right here. Make sure we update our deposit method so we can actually get paid in Canada. Go to inventory, and then we should see some items with our inventories. Just make sure there's no suppressions, make sure everything's good to go. But if we were shopping in Canada right now we're in Amazon.ca. You can see right here, there's our product and there's the import fee. And it takes as little as 24 hours to get this up, rolling, and ready to go. Now, if your listings aren't generating as much sales as you want, you can just go to our description and then go to our website. We do offer a free listing audit. You can just put in your information here, and then we'll get back to you and actually look at all of your top competitors. If you're selling in Canada, we'll check out Canada, US, UK, whatnot. Make sure you are good to go and your listings being improved so you can generate more sales. Sometimes it's just one thing that makes a huge difference in your sales, and it could be A+ content, brand story. We're going to help figure it out. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you want more videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's helping you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.